Facebook, YouTubers. It's Rob White with Spotless. We're out here doing a brick wall. It used to be an exterior wall in this house. Now it's interior. They put this nice little sunroom around it. But we're having to do an acid wash. You can see the Georgia clay on there. You see what clay is doing. It's knock it off. We put mud away on there. You can see the difference. Big time. So that's a spinner recovery system handheld for my carpet cleaning machine we do tile with usually. So this is the result we get. Yeah, there's a little water spillage and stuff, but we clean all that up. We get going, it sucks up about 85–90% of what's going on in the wall. See the result right there. This is a mild acid wash. And that's my lead tech Clay. He's out here today. Got another little job to go through after this. We got to do this all the way around the house. We're going to do carpet cleaning, done tile cleaning, pressure washing. You need some walls with Georgia clay, mud on them. Give us a call. My beautiful wife Pam at 678-870-7011. We'll be glad to take care of you.